How to send voice messages on Discord. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video, and on today's video we will see how we can send voice messages on Discord. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. First of all, go to discord.com from any web browser and make sure that you're logged into your account. So if you have logged into your Discord account using a browser, now if you want to send a voice message, for that you have to add an extension. So for that, click on this extension icon at the top right. And here go to manage extension. And here click on Chrome Web Store. Now in the search bar type in Venchord. So this Venchord is a free extension that allows you to send voice messages on Discord. Here where I have this option as remove from Chrome, you will find an option as add to Chrome. So click on add to Chrome. Once you have added this extension to your Chrome, now head back to discord.com and then you can refresh your page once here. So once you're here, click on your user settings, which you will find at the bottom of this interface. Click on user settings. Once you're here, now navigate to this menu bar on your left hand side. There you will have this Venchord section. From there, click on plugins. So in the search bar, all you have to type in voice message. And if you scroll down a bit, there you will have this option for voice message that says allows you to send voice messages like on mobile. All you have to do is turn on this toggle. Now once you have turned on your toggle, you can close your settings. After that, you can either open your direct messages or the server where you want to send the voice message on. If you click on this plus icon here, there you'll have an option as send voice message. Click on it and record your voice message. After that, you can send your voice message, and that's how you can send voice messages on Discord. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.